5 seconds to go. Start. In these circumstances, it is directed that the police, Tehsildar, Collector, Gram Panchayat Office, and all other concerned government authorities shall offer all assistance to the applicant and the other interested respondents, respondent numbers 2 to 8, to construct a wall to safeguard the suit property. It is further directed that the local police station shall ensure that these directions are strictly complied with and no person is allowed to interfere with the construction of the wall on the suit property. It must be noted here that the persons who had admittedly obstructed the construction of the wall were not parties to the proceedings of either the arbitration petition or the interim application. It appears that an application was filed to the Deputy Superintendent of Land Records at Talasari by the first respondent and 5 others for measuring the land's subject matter of the arbitration petition situated at village Varwada, Taluka Talasari, district Palghar. The Deputy Superintendent of Land Records, in his letter dated 21st November 2021, informed the first respondent that several persons named in the letter had objected to carrying out a survey. The letter records that as objections in writing have been submitted, conducting the hearing and holding an inquiry was necessary. We may note that in the letter, the names of some of the appellants are mentioned in the list of persons who objected to the survey. A very curious step was taken by the first and second respondents thereafter. They filed a writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, being writ petition number 2584 of 2022. The grievance in the said writ petition was regarding non-compliance with the orders in the aforesaid arbitration petition by the government authorities regarding carrying out the survey and construction of the compound wall. The persons who raised objections to the survey were not impleaded in the writ petition. In the writ petition, a division bench directed the district collector Palghar and the superintendent of police district Palghar to remain present before the court through video conference. On 9th March 2022, the division bench passed an order. Paragraph 3 of the said order reads thus: from the annexures to the writ petition, it appears that this is a clear case of political pressure being exerted on the government officials like the collector and the superintendent of police. However, orders of the court cannot be breached by any individual or organization by creating unrest, and the authorities cannot be heard to say that they are unable to tackle such lawlessness. We therefore request the Advocate General to go through the writ petition and assist the court. Stand over to 14th March 2022, when the collector and the superintendent of police shall remain present. Mr. Dattatreya Tulsidas Shinde, the superintendent of police of Palghar district, filed an affidavit dated 14th March 2022 before the High Court. The affidavit notes that when the work of construction of the compound wall in terms of the order in the arbitration petition commenced, the local tribals gathered an impression that it was an attempt to illegally dispossess some of them who were declared owners of certain lands. He stated that the tribals insisted that the lands be demarcated before constructing the compound wall. The superintendent of police has referred to his meeting held on 11th March 2022 with the learned Advocate General of the state, the collector of the district, and the superintendent of land records of the district. Stop.